Meet Sarah and James. Both earn the same paycheck. Both start with the same $1,000. But over the next 20 years, they take two very different paths. Sarah plays it safe. She puts her money in a savings account, checks her balance often, and feels secure, but not excited. James sees money differently. To him, every dollar is a worker, something that can earn more dollars. Instead of hiding it, he puts it to work. After a few years, Sarah notices something. Prices keep rising. Groceries, rent, everything. Her savings feel smaller, even though the number hasn't changed. Meanwhile, James reinvests his gains. He buys income-producing assets. His dollars multiply, and time becomes his greatest ally. 20 years pass. Sarah has money saved, but it's nearly the same. James's investments have doubled and tripled in value. The difference wasn't luck, it was mindset. Savers hold on. Investors build on. Money mirrors mindset. Learn to think like an investor, not a saver, and your future will thank you.